I'm one of those people who needs like 12 alarms in the morning. I don't wake up. So I've been trying to think of ways to wake up better in the morning. And the only times I ever wake up is when I'm traveling. I can have to be up at 4:30 a.m. for a flight, done, no problem, and I'll feel super well rested the entire time. And when I'm at hotels, I'll check in and set a wake up call. I just tell the hotel clerk, like, yeah, 7 a.m. every day so that I don't miss the hotel breakfast. And it works. I get that obnoxious phone ringing that scares the ever-living crap out of me. And then a little automated, this is your 7 a.m. wake-up call. And it works. So I figured, since I can't travel anywhere because of COVID anyway, and to help me better wake up and do my own time management, I'm gonna get myself a phone and build a wake-up call automated every morning. Yeah, so it's possible. I can use Zapier, if I'm saying it correctly, I think I am, to connect a Google Calendar to Twilio, which I'm not confident I'm saying correct, to ring with every calendar, and it will use the time of the calendar event in the verbiage of it's your wake-up call, because I can have custom text and then pull in the calendar description. So even if the calendar event is at different times on different days, it'll always tell me the right time. And it will then just ring a programmed number that I've inputted. So every morning, it'll take the calendar event, call the number, read the description, and hang up, which theoretically will work. So now all I need is a phone. Got the phone, and this is like that's classic hotel phone right there. Like, this is what every Holiday Inn, every hotel I was in as a kid, this was it. So if you're ever gonna get a phone for this project that's travel inspired from the hotel, I'm getting the hotel phone, which is actually pretty cool. They have just one plastic body that they make that has the holes punched out for every different model and all of the different buttons you can have, and then just put a faceplate over it with the labels for everything. So this one plastic mold can be used for, I don't know, however many models they have. It's got a lot. So I'm gonna make myself a pretty custom faceplate to slap on here. So I've got the faceplate cut out, and now we can just have to get this out, which shouldn't be, without breaking it. There we go. And yeah, that just pops out. Kinda, but that's fine, we're good. And just slap that bad boy on there. That's a good fit. I'm okay with that. And just squeeze this back in without breaking any of the little plastic tabs. And, oh, I missed one. Boom, there. Congratulations on making it to this part of the video. If you made it this far, you now get to indulge in the interactive part of this experiment, because I need help with waking up and setting motivational messages for me in the morning to help get me out of bed. So I've created a public Google Calendar, or general public calendar, that you can go and you can add calendar events, and you can go and modify and type little messages that my phone will read out to me. So you can set nice motivational messages for me. Link for that is in the doobly-doo down in the description below. This part we're going to skip over. This is just where I explain how that little box that takes the phone line from the telephone, converts it into internet so that I can make phone calls without using a landline, because I'm not going to do that in 2020, now 2021, because it took me a while to edit this. Yeah, basically plugging that little hole out of focus from a phone jack to an internet jack, and how that box is absolutely terrible and destroyed like 3 months of my life. Do not recommend buying it. We're going to skip over the rest of that now, and I'm going to cut the rest of it from the video because I don't enjoy reliving that. So again, thanks for all the motivational messages. I'm sure it's not going to go wrong. Link in the doobly-doo. Now without further ado, let's see how the project turned out.